Yeah. Left my guitar at lesser town. I drew my heart at Atlanta wall, where I felt things were better now. I belong in your arms. Got a paper cup full of wine. I played the Charles Bridge on the side, with your hand resting under mine. Hope I'm not so out of line. Your point of view, different taste. Walking slow, bumpy pace. Cause you know we can fall in love. This moment's all it takes. Autumn leaves falling down. Suddenly it's over now. But you know we'll fall in slowly. You take my breath away between the sheets. My body's weak when you're around, and I don't know how you do. Can you play the tunes we used to? Just stop the time and listen, babe. Live high, fly to the moon. Take a second, rewrite the stars. Be my sweetheart, you're ever glowing, babe. Can you feel my love from afar? Now I'm back, see the New York signs. Body numb, just passing time. But I keep my head up high. All my friends tell me I'll be fine. It's too late to stumble now. Tune into the little sounds. But you know we'll fall in slowly. You take my breath away between the sheets. My body's weak when you're around, and I don't know how you do. Can you play the tunes we used to? Just stop the time and listen, babe. Live high, fly to the moon. Take a second, rewrite the stars. Be my sweetheart, you're ever glowing, babe. Can you feel my love from afar? Live high, fly to the moon. Take a second, rewrite the stars. Be my sweetheart, you're ever glowing, babe. Can you feel my love from afar?
Is it over now? Tell me who you become. Was it just a trick of light, fading into what we are done? Can we go back to those days when everything felt so right? Or are we just chasing shadows in the middle of the night? Are we just tired of the fight, or just scared to walk away? Caught in between what was love and the ghost of yesterday. Can we go back to those days when everything felt so right? Or are we just chasing shadows in the middle of the night? Is it over now, or can we say goodbye with grace? Or do we keep chasing ghosts, try to fill an empty space? Yeah. Is it over now? Can we say goodbye with grace? Or do we keep chasing ghosts, try to fill an empty space? Tell me, where do we stand? On the edge of something we forgot? Or are we just too far gone to remember what we just lost? Can we go back to those days when everything felt so right? Or are we just chasing shadows in the middle of the night? Is it over now, or can we say goodbye with grace? Or do we keep chasing ghosts, try to fill an empty space? Yeah, yeah, yeah. Is it over now, or can we say goodbye with grace? Or do we keep chasing ghosts? Yeah, yeah. Fill an empty space. Is it over now, or can we say goodbye with grace? Or do we keep chasing ghosts? got a feeling